This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Prise up the centre pins and lever out the plastic expanding rivets. And remove the sound insulation trim. Pull the pollen filter cover from the bulkhead. Slide the pollen filter element from place. Wipe the inside of the filter housing to remove any debris. Some filter elements are marked up and down, whilst others have arrows to indicate the airflow direction. The arrows must point downwards. Slide the new filter element into the housing and press the cover into place. Manoeuvre the sound insulation trim into position, then refit the plastic expanding rivets and press in the centre pins.